Hey, I'm blowing coupons and not money, honey. It's your girl blowing coupons, and I'm back with the hottest Target deals for May 10th through May 16th. These deals are perfect for beginners, and I'm breaking down the real out-of-pocket cost and final price after Target Circle rewards, gift cards, and cashback rebates so you know exactly how much you're spending. First up, beauty lovers run to this deal. Target has select beauty products on promotion this week, and when you spend $40 on beauty, you get a $10 Target gift card back. Here's a beginner-friendly breakdown. Grab 2 Maybelline mascaras at $6.99 each and 2 ELF beauty products at $13.99 each. Your total comes to around $41.96. Use Target Circle beauty coupons and manufacturer coupons to save about $6 instantly, bringing your out-of-pocket down to around $35.96. Then Target gives you back a $10 gift card, making your final cost about $25.96 total for 4 beauty products. That's around $6.49 each. Now let's talk hair care. Target has major discounts on select shampoo and conditioner brands during Circle Week. Grab 2 Pantene products at $5.99 each. Total is $11.98. Use a $5 off $2 coupon in the Target Circle app and pay about $6.98 out of pocket. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for a possible $2 rebate, making your final cost about $4.98 total, only $2.49 each. Household deal alert, Target has laundry deals stacked this week. Buy Tide detergent and Gain Flings for around $24 total. Use Target Circle coupons and manufacturer coupons to save about $6 instantly. Your out-of-pocket becomes around $18. Then submit for a $5 P&G rebate and receive a $5 Target gift card promotion, making your final cost about $8 total for both products. That's only about $4 each. Snack lovers, this soda deal is good. Target has select 12-pack sodas on sale 3 for $16 this week. If you use Target Circle offers or soda rebates from Fetch or Ibotta, you may lower your final cost to around $13 total, about $4.33 each pack. Perfect for cookouts or weekend gatherings. Now for the skincare girls, Neutrogena and skincare deals are included in Target Circle promotions this week. Buy 2 Neutrogena facial care items at around $14.99 each. Total is about $29.98. Use a $5 Target Circle coupon and pay around $24.98 out of pocket. Then submit your receipt for possible cashback rebates and earn a $5 Target gift card when combined with qualifying beauty purchases, bringing your final cost down closer to $19.98 total. And beginner couponing tip, at Target, always scan your Target Circle offers before checkout and stack them with manufacturer coupons, Ibotta rebates, Fetch rewards, and gift card promotions. That's how couponers get their final cost super low. Also, if you use a Target Circle card, you get an extra 5% off your purchase and free shipping online. Comment Target List if you want the full printable breakdowns, and follow Blow-In Coupons for daily Target, CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, and rebate app deals. Don't miss out on these savings. I'll see you in the next one. Blow-In coupons, not money. Bye, honey. Remember, the best deals go fast, so get to Target early this week to stock up on your beauty and laundry essentials. Couponing is for everyone. Whether you're just starting or a pro, these deals are a great way to save big on the brands you love. Make sure your apps are updated and your accounts are linked to get the most out of these rebates. Happy shopping. Keep blowing those coupons and keep that money in your pocket. Catch you later.